Okay, we're back upriver with Oscar. Didn't go very good with Hamish, so we came back up in the arvo. And I just got my PB Dewey, 64 centimetres. We got Toby, Sonny and Oscar, so hopefully we get some more.
Oh.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a tough one.
I wasn't too confident in this, but like, I'm confident in it now, aren't I? Oscar, can you catch a Dewey?
I'm trying.
I really want you to catch one.
Has Toby caught one before?
No. Bloody hoons these days. I don't know where their place is. Yeah, look at the sounder.
Yeah.
I was kind of wound into mine.
Yeah.
We're drifting so fast.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. I'm not sure yet. Chewy.
Actually, a solid Dewey.
Can you net it? Actually, I'll get it. Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you? Yes, lads.
That would have been the size of mine.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, can't be fun. Yeah. Nice little Dewey. Just gonna get the release. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really big. That's really big, bro. Oh, the net.
It's a Dewey.
I'll put my rod down.
I felt him tap it.
Nah, other way, other way, other way.
Oh. He was on the motor then.
No.
Imagine it's a jack.
Dewey.
Oh, good Dewey. Yes!
Really good, really good.
Yes!
Yes, bros.
Yes!
Bail on.
Yes! I finally did it!
Boy, that's a really good first one. His first Dewey.
Bro, you should have seen Zach's first Dewey.
Yes, bros.
73.
Yes, bros. 3 Dewey in the boat, mate.
Whoa, that's good as.
Whoa.
He's jumping.
My rod, no.
Oscar.
My rod.
Come on, bro.
Oh, you want to get up on the...
That's a really big first one, bro. Like, really big first one.
Finally did it.
Let's get a quick hold up. Just got that nice Dewey. Just gonna get the hold up. Oscar's pretty frothed. First ever Dewey for Oscar. Getting him on the dog's show. Holy.
Bro.
My rod's confident from you.
It didn't get you wrong though.
First ever Dewey is 60 something. Okay, let's see.
60. Exactly 60.
60. Your first ever Dewey is 60, bro. That's
61.
61. That's really good.
Yeah, my phone.
Grab the tail and squeeze it. Yes. How are you feeling about that, Oscar?
Very stoked.
Let's go back up and get another. Been paying attention to the tide at all. That's a... Yeah.
Another Dewey? Bloody.
Huge Dewey. That's a lot of water in the back of my boat. We've got Toby's first ever and Oscar's first ever. And my PB.
Stop playing around with these bloody tarpons.
There we go.
And I got a little
First
dink.
Dewey. Toby's first Dewey and where to eat. What was that?
Keep it the
White spot.
actually.
Very nice.
They're
Oh,
liking
yeah.
the open.
Bro, you didn't feel the bite, you just sucked it in. Look, it's fully sucked in.
I just stepped on a hook as I jumped. Ah.
So I'll show you. Grab him,
Huh?
pinch, get this, use this one.
No, it hurt a lot. I'm a fang at home.
Really?
The sun's about to go down.
Rare.
It's 5.
Yeah.
I don't want to fang back in the dark.
I can probably hit one more drift.
Yeah.
There we go.
You Desos are faster than me. How fast are you hitting?
I got like 25 by myself.
I'm hitting 24, so.
Yeah, I might do this tune though.
We must be pretty matched then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you guys be mad if I came here, casted, and I caught something?
I would not be happy, I wouldn't be mad.
I'm gonna take one cast up there and then we'll go. Last cast. Yeah.
For me and you,
He will not be frothing. Yep.
that's cool.
Big.
Big Dewey?
Yeah. Dewey. Yes, Braz.
That's got sick colours.
Bro.
He's full like.
That's so
iridescent
sick.
purple.
It's like completely purple. Go up to the iron like. It's got this nice Stewie. Last cast of the day. Pretty frothed.
It's gonna be one of those like last cast situations, though.
That was my last cast.
I know, but it's going to be one of those.